Hello everybody, my name is Classless Work 32, and I am here for part 4 of our series where I teach you HTML and CSS. All of the stuff that I really know pretty well, all compacted in one series. So what are we going to cover in this session? We are going to cover the emphasis tag, the color tag, the text size tag, and the font family tag. Okay, in the last episode, this is what we made. Basically centered it. And in this episode, we're going to do all these things. Here's the code if you needed it. Think I'll put a copy of all my code in every 5 videos. Yeah, why not? So, how about we get started? Oh yeah, one other thing that we're gonna do in this episode is the background color tag. Okay, to start off, let's see. Let's do background color. Then we'll draw a colon. And also, if you notice, we're doing multiple elements. Basically, put a space in between the semicolon and the next stuff. Next thing. What color do we want this to be? Okay, so what we can do is there's some colors that are in the HTML itself. Like we could do aqua if we wanted to, or cyan, or black, or yellow, or even blue. We can, but if you want your own custom colors, what you can do is I'll have a link to this thing. Where is it? This color picker. And that would basically let you choose a color, and it'll tell you the hexadecimal value, which is basically a numerical version. You've seen these before, I think. You put a hash, and then you put the set of numbers and letters. The letters don't have to be capitalized at all either. Basically, what you can do is choose any color you want. Let's say I wanted, how about we make the background a lighter color? Such as, yeah, blue is always nice. Yeah, let's do that. So I like the lighter color backgrounds. So what we will do is copy that. First, I'm gonna do a regular text background. Let's just do cyan. Don't forget your semicolon. And you'll be amazed at how much it changes the website. Just look at this. It brightens your eyes. Quite literally. Which is great. So it's nice to have a colorful background. Kinda like this. I guess that's what cyan looks like. My favorite color is the Minecraft version of cyan. Okay, now let's do our hexadecimal value. Don't forget your number sign. And we do our semicolon. That should just turn all this blue into this color here. And yeah, there's that. It's a little bit too purple for me, so let's see if I can change it. Lighter colors I feel are better than, you know, the darker, like this. Don't want your website feel dark, I suppose. Okay, let's delete this. Happened again, yay. Also, I haven't looked at the comments for the last episode yet, because I'm recording a bunch of these all at once. So, yeah. Let's refresh this. That's a better color for me. I like it. Okay, now that we have our background set, what we can do is change the color of all the text in here with this one method. Kind of like the text align, how we can make all of it like centered, but we can make certain methods, or whatever you want to call these elements. We can type in something like align left, and it will override the text align center in the body tag, which is pretty neat. So how about let's choose a color for the text. How about we choose a very mild lime green? Because why not? Now let's to do the text color, all you have to do is type color, then your colon, then you have to do the number sign, then you have to do this. You type your number that you got from that, your code. Basically, this is 6 numbers, letters. I don't remember what letters, but it's 1 through 9, pretty much. So let's save that. Let's actually, I forgot the semicolon. Save it again. Let's redo this. As you can see, it changed all the color in here. Let's say we wanted to make the title a different color than this. How are we gonna do that? Actually, it's not a title, it's a header. I guess you could call it the title though. Though not this type of title. You can't color this, I don't think. At least I haven't figured that out. Let's do style equals quotes, then we'll do color. What do we want to color this? Let's just color it blue. Yeah, why not? It can be a little bit of a longer episode actually. And as you can see, that changed to blue. So, nextly, how about we do the font family tag? So we could do it up here, but I don't really want to. So how about we do it over here? What should the header be? So basically, to start this element, we need to do font family. Basically, finds all the fonts that you have on your computer or something, I guess. Then you do your colon. We're gonna do font family elephant. I found that one to be pretty cool. Then how about we change this one to cursive? Not really cursive, but that's just what it's called. So font family cursive. I think it has to be capital. Some of them have to be capital, some of them don't. So yeah. Let's do this. There's the cursive. This should be something, I believe. Font family. Let's do let's do impact. Impact is a pretty nifty one. Yeah, it's like super bold. This is a header tag. Oh wow, this video is gonna be kind of long. It's gonna take a while to render. Oh well. Okay, what else do we have to do? We've done the color tag. We've done the not that. Done the font family and the background color. Okay, let's do the text size. So obviously you want this to be bigger than this because it's the header, which that kind of makes sense, right? That's already bigger. So let's say we wanted the paragraph to be a certain text size. So we do style, like we've been doing. Then we would do text size, colon. Then what we'll do is, how big do we want it? Let's just do 30 pixels. Px equals pixels. Could do em. Don't confuse that with the emphasis when we get to that. But yeah. That apparently this just makes it fit on website, fit on different platforms. Let's make that pixels then. I don't know if it's changing or not. Maybe let's do that. Not really sure about that right now. But yeah. Should be text size. I'll be right back when I figure this out. Okay, we're back. I'm pretty sure I was doing this wrong. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to say text size. It's supposed to say font size, which will do 30 pixels. And as you can see, that got bigger. So let's make this, let's say, 15 pixels. You kind of have to tweak around. There we go, that's better. More fitting. Let's change the size of the header, because we can. Let's do, font size, 30 pixels, which is double the size of the other one. Huh. I don't know what happened there. But well. Okay, so now let's do the last thing that we're gonna do, which will be the emphasis tag, which will basically emphasize a word. So to be broad here, or I don't know what to say about this, we'll do, that's how you do the emphasis tag. You have to close it. Kinda gets messed up sometimes. We'll see how that goes though. Yeah, I always have this error here. Okay, we're back. I'm not sure how to add a space here. I've never really been sure about that. So I'm sorry about that. If you know how, please tell me down below. I'm kind of mediocre at this, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, that's the emphasis tag. Now another one we can do is the strong tag, which will be the last one of today because this episode is getting way too long. So let's do strong. Kind of similar to the emphasis tag, except for it's the strong. Let's see what that looks like. I'm not really sure right now. So, I don't know what that did, but okay. Yeah. I'll cover one more tag in this. So we'll do the span tag. Basically, this just selects what's inside and makes it to where you can add elements to it. Let's say style font. Let's see, font family bold, maybe. I wonder if that works. Buttons are just tweak around this. Okay, I guess that's bold. Doesn't really look bold, but it works. So with that, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this episode wasn't too long. It was too long for me personally. So I will see you guys in the next episode. And yeah, if you have any questions, please comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in part 5. Goodbye.